Hi foodies, we are making some delicious buttermilk fried shrimp today. They're perfectly crispy and juicy on the inside. Let's get into this deliciousness. All right, guys, so we're going to be making a marinade for this. So we're using buttermilk. That's going to give tenderness, tang, flavor. Then we're adding yellow mustard. I've heard of mustard chicken, so I figure let's add it to the shrimp. And then, of course, hot sauce. I add hot sauce to my buttermilk sometimes for fried chicken. And then a mixture of seasonings. I'm going to be leaving these in the description box below. I have Old Bay right here. So it's Old Bay, onion powder, garlic powder, some other goodies. And then we're going to mix everything together. All right. So buttermilk, mustard, hot sauce, and seasonings. That's it. So you can give this a taste. All right. Before adding the egg. All right. Some people don't want to taste the raw egg. So give it a taste. Then add your eggs. All right. And then we are going to be soaking some shrimp in this. The shrimp has been peeled and deveined and rinsed and pat dried. So we're just going to put the shrimp in this. Let it sit in this for about 30 minutes. All right. Usually if I'm doing chicken, then I soak it overnight. But shrimp is so delicate. 30 minutes to 40 minutes, we should be good. We want this to be crispy on the outside, so I'm using some all-purpose flour mixed with cornstarch right here. All right, and then we'll add some Lawry's seasoned salt, just a little bit. Okay, mix everything together. Now we need to coat the shrimp. Now you have options. You could use your hands, or what you could do is pour that flour mixture into a paper bag and then put the shrimp in there and then give it a shake. And then this is going to give it some really nice flaky bits on the outside. So you put the flour in there and then add the shrimp. You wouldn't add everything at once. Okay, just a few. And then you'll fold it, shake it up. That is one method. The other option is to put that flour cornstarch mixture in a bowl, then add a few shrimp, cover it up and shake everything together, then take them out. Okay, so there's a few different ways to do this. Of course, as I've said, you can do your hand breading, but with tiny things like these little shrimp, you know, this definitely helps to move things faster and you get those beautiful flaky crusty bits on this. You could even add some crushed cornflakes to this, really nice. So we have everything coated. Of course, some of it is soaking through, but don't worry, we are gonna fry these now. You can do 350 in a deep fryer or just go with a medium-high heat in a cast iron pan or one of those, you know, thick pans that's gonna retain the heat. And you just need to fry these for about 4 minutes for jumbo or large shrimp. The reason we're cooking these longer than normal is because the coating is very thick. So you need to make sure it's cooked thoroughly. So 4 minutes, and you could do a little more if you're using colossal shrimp that are huge. And you just want to make sure it's golden brown, and then you can drain these on a wire rack. These are gorgeous, guys. Really nice. They are crunchy. And they weren't rubbery because we didn't overcook them, right? They are just gorgeous. And then I had these with my sauce, my sweet and creamy sauce. I tried to make Fil A sauce, guys, and it was actually pretty good. You should check out that video. I'll leave the link in the description box below. But of course, you could have this with any dip that you like. So give this a try. Come back and let me know what you think about this delicious shrimp. See you next time.